rainforest grows more during the dry season, which can last from June to December. Though it is called the dry season, tropical rainforests get rain throughout the entire year. It is thought that the reason the rainforest grows more during the dry season is because during the rainy season it gets too wet. A lot of our daily fruits and vegetables come from tropical rainforests, like citrus, avocados, cashews, Brazil nuts, vanilla, and sugar. There is also coffee, tea, cacao beans, bananas, grapefruit, guavas, pineapples, and many more. But let's talk more about these fruits. The cacao bean is picked twice a year by hand. They are normally picked between May and July, and then from October to March. Grapefruits are available all year round, but are best during winter and spring. Bananas are grown all year round and thrive in warm, wet tropical climates. So the tropical forest makes a perfect climate for them. Tea is harvested all year round, but depends on the type of tea. In Costa Rica, coffee matures at different times, but the first harvest starts in October and November, and it is best at the end of the year.
The primary soils found in tropical rainforests are oxalins and eucalypts, which are rich in iron, aluminum oxens. The major of temperate rainforests that have been felled, and currently this biome type occupies less than 1% of the Earth's land surface. The temperate rainforest is also characterized by high rainfall levels, but does not have warm temperatures that are seen in tropical rainforests.
Even though tropical forests take up less than 6% of the Earth's surface, it has a really high biodiversity level. Around 40% to 75% of all biotic species are indigenous to the rainforest. Rainforests are home to half of all the living animals and plant species on the planet. The tropical rainforest has also been called nicknames like Jewels of the Earth and the world's largest pharmacy, because over 1/4 of natural medicines have been discovered within them. Scientists also believe that there are still many millions of species of plants, insects, and microorganisms still undiscovered. An example of a tropical rainforest is in Brazil. With their hot and wet climate, they also have a very large portion of the Amazon rainforest in their country, which is a tropical rainforest. Arthropods. There are estimated to be 20 million arthropods in the Amazon rainforest, like the bullet ant, tarantulas, Goliath beetles, Amazon giant centipede, giraffe weave, assassin bug, butterflies, and many more.
Tropical rainforests are very lush and wet. The tropical rainforest rains at the rate of 1 inch in 30 minutes and adds up to almost 400 inches of rain a year. It rains a lot in the temperate rainforest, about 100 inches per year, and most moisture comes from the fog that hovers around the trees. Tropical rainforests are warm and moist, while temperate rainforests are cool.
There are around 427 species of mammals in the Amazon rainforest, which is a tropical rainforest. To name a few, there are jaguars, capybaras, bats, monkeys, river dolphins, pangolins, and many more. Reptiles. There are 378 reptile species in the Amazon rainforest. To name a few, there are venomous snakes like the gaboon viper, pit viper, and mambas. Then there are the non-venomous snakes like the reticulated python, boa constrictors, emerald tree boa, and green anaconda. There are also caimans and crocodiles in the tropical rainforest, as well as several species of lizard like the basilisk lizard, and several species of turtles like the mata turtle, plus many more. Birds. There are 1,300 bird species in the Amazon rainforest. To name a few, harpy eagle, which is the biggest eagle in the world, toucans, parrots, hyacintha macaw, and many more. Amphibians. There are 400 species of amphibians in the Amazon rainforest. To name a few: frogs, poison dart frogs, glass frogs, toads, salamanders, newts, worm-like Sicilians. Plants. There are many plants, but too minted. There are many plants, including orchids, lobster claws, bromeliads, pitcher plants, water lilies, and several more. Trees. There are many trees that live in tropical rainforests, such as the kapok tree, rubber tree, Raymond tree, and many more. Biodiversity is the extraordinary varieties of life on Earth, from genes and species to ecosystems and the valuable functions they perform. E.O. Wilson, the note biologist and author who coined the term biodiversity, explains it as the very stuff of life.